I'm Mindy Lockard, and today on Market of Choice Gracious Kitchen, we are making popovers, which are sure to add a pop of fun to your weekend breakfast. Saturday morning breakfast is a huge tradition in our house because usually we're hosting a house full of girls from Friday night sleepovers, and popovers are a great solution for feeding a crowd with their buttery goodness and fun fillings. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Take 2 tablespoons of butter and distribute it into 6 of the popover cups. Now we're going to pop these into the oven and make the batter. Crack 8 large eggs into a blender. Add 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1½ cup of Bob's Red Mill gluten-free 1-to-1 flour. Now we always make these gluten-free, however, you can use any flour that you like. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2½ cups warm milk. And blend. While popovers are great on Saturday morning, I like to double the recipe because they keep really well in an airtight container in my pantry, and we're able to have them for breakfast or snack all week long. After your butter has melted in the popover pan, we are going to add the batter to it, just pouring evenly until each of the cups is about 3/4 of the way full. We're going to put these back into the oven for 25 minutes where they will puff up beautifully. Once we pull them out of the oven, the fun really begins. Now we're going to want to let them cool for a few minutes because they are piping hot, and so is that butter inside of them. Once cooled, but not cold, fill them with all of your favorite toppings. I like them really simple with just lemon, a little bit of powdered sugar, and so delicious. But our guests also love a variety of other toppings, including maple syrup, berries, granola, coconut, and sometimes even adding chocolate. Your kids are going to love this pop of fun in their morning breakfast, and you're going to love not worrying about breakfast for days to come. I promise.